Hey there, Ocean Robbins here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I am so excited that you're here with us today. You know, when we first started planning this workshop, we asked ourselves, what do people really need to make 2026 different? What's missing from all the health information that's already out there? And the answer kept coming back to the same thing. We don't need more information. We don't need another diet plan. We don't even need more willpower. What people need is a clear understanding of how behavior change actually works and a practical system they can use in their real lives. So that's exactly what we're going to give you in this workshop. Over 3 hours, you're going to discover the science-backed strategies that make healthy habits stick. Not for a week, not for a month, but for a lifetime. Now, before we get started, I want to make sure you're set up for success. So first, make sure you've downloaded your workshop workbook. There should be a download link right below this video. That workbook's going to be your companion for the 3 hours. It's got space for you to take notes, reflection questions, and templates for creating your action plan. Second, try to be in a quiet space if you can. I know life can be busy and you might have kids or pets or a million other things going on, but do the best you can to minimize distractions for these 3 precious hours. Your future self will thank you. Now, here's what I want you to know about the workshop. This is interactive. It's participatory. This is not just me and my expert faculty talking at you for 3 hours while you sit back passively. We're going to have opportunities for you to engage with the content, to ask questions, to share in the chat if you're comfortable, to work through exercises in your workbook. I want you to make this your workshop. Take what resonates, leave what doesn't. Ask questions about your specific situation. This is about you, your health, your goals, your challenges, your life. This is your time. You deserve this. You're worth this investment. Let's make 2026 the year your healthy habits finally stick. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the workshop.